Okay, so we're in Macau. This is just kind of like one of these oddities of apartments, kind of odd things, and even stuff above us. Little stairwell right here. And what's odd about this area is that it's really... Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. About this area is that it's really amazingly conveniently located. So you can walk to all kinds of really amazing stuff, Senado Square, but it's like its own little neighborhood in here. Sounds like even like this one I think is probably only this community would use it. I'm going to show you these balconies too. There's all these kind of cool balconies. So actually, looks like they use it quite a bit. If I had an apartment like this, I'd probably throw a couch out in one of these. Oh, man, all these really amazing balconies everywhere. So all these have nice balconies all the way up like that too. Man, it's just spectacular. So I'm just going to walk in here a little bit, and actually, some of this kind of reminds me of what you might see like in Hawaii or Okinawa. Like I've seen these kind of stuff there, those kind of places quite a bit. So wild. So cool. These ones too. Oh, that one has like a whole gate all around it. Yeah, some of these apartments would be amazing to live in. And we're just gonna walk right into here, and then you can see how it opens up to it's all these street lights too. But over here is Senado Square. Senado Square is down the hill, so you're right near all this. Subway right here. This is Say, Plaza Say, which is a church. So we're just gonna show you this real quick. So there's Cathedral Bar down there. Subway restaurant, brand new. Never saw that before. Senado Say, Plaza Say. And I have filmed in this area a little bit before. I could walk all the way down and put you into the Senado Square just for context, but I think I just wanted to focus more on this little area. So yeah, this nice, beautiful little plaza. You can see this church right here too. And this is the one that I just focus on, is this little spot. We're just gonna go down a little bit. Man, it's just amazing, these little apartments, and I'd love to have one of those and just throw a couch up there. Man, it's a pretty cool little spot. These ones too, they got such beautiful balconies right there. It makes you wonder how much those would cost to rent or buy. Okay. So these ones, this is like a little beer shop, it looks like. Coedo. We're just gonna go back in a little circle, and we're gonna capture this one again. So yeah, this little neighborhood. Patio de Say, so if you do want to look it up online, this is the name for it. Patio de Say. Okay, so we're gonna fade out in a minute. Gonna go through this one. And wow, it's this, look at this barbed wire right here. It's so funny, it's all, I don't know why it's set up like that. Somebody's kitchen right there. Okay. Patio de Say. And we're gonna walk right down this way, back into this church area. So I think I'm gonna just keep the camera on for a few more minutes, show you where this, go through here. There's this beautiful plaza right there. And we're gonna walk in front of this church here so you can get context of everything. Yeah, actually look at this too. There's all this, be another amazing place to be. And over here we have a priest and a church service. So we're just gonna walk. So this is all called Say. And just for context, Saddle Square is down that way. I think you've maybe seen other videos of mine where I've done that one. This is that little neighborhood that I was just at. This is going towards Lisboa. And then this is a church service today. Say Cathedral. Alright, hope you enjoyed this one too. Another little slice of Macau.